Elif-row without else Python. Is it possible to write an else at the end of an if row which only gets executed if none of all the if statements are true? Example. In this example, the else part gets executed if foo bar isn't 5, but I want it to be executed if foo bar and foo bar aren't 5. But, if all statements are true, all of them have to be executed.
I don't think there's any overly elegant way to do this in Python or any other language. You could store the values in a list, but that would obfuscate the actual test ifs, for example. Or you could set a tracking flag.
How about doing something like this? Making 4 if statements, but the 4th if statement won't be run if one of the other 3 is run because the other statements change the variable key.
Not directly, those 3 if blocks are separate. You could use nesting, but that would get pretty complex. The neatest way to accomplish this is probably if all the if statements are for checking for the same value, I would use the following format instead. It would make the code shorter and more readable, emo.
是什么？今天是什么？